Hi guys, welcome back to SoftAsia Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can add mega menus into your Elementor page. You can see I have added this mega menu under my home menu. To add it, first you have to log into your dashboard. Now you have to add Elementskit Elementor add-on plugin. For this, go to plugins and click on add new. Search Elementskit here. Here you can see Elementskit Elementor add-on with 700,000 active installations. Click on install now. Your plugin was successfully installed. Now click on activate it. Now the plugin was successfully installed. You can see Elementskit in sidebar. Now to create a mega menu, I will go to my menus. Hover over appearance and click on menus. Now here you can see I have these menus, and above it you can see Elementskit mega menu. Enable mega menu from there and save the changes. Now you will find mega menu range icon with your menus. I will click on this mega menu on my home page and then enable editing mega menu. Click on edit mega menu. Now Elementor will open in a pop-up. Now here you have this preview. You can add mega menus there. You can design it by default, but I will import a template from mega menu section from Elementskit, so I will click on it. Here you have different categories. Hover over here, in first line you can see the mega menu. Click on it. Now I will insert the first one, so I will insert it. Now you can see these mega menus into your site. Now you can make any changes in it. Now I will edit this image. I will change this image. Choose from media library. I will choose this one and click on insert. Now I will reduce its size to 300 pixels. I will go to style, advanced and positioning, and I will change its horizontal offset and vertical offset little. Now I will change this heading. Go to subtitle and change name here. I will add car repair. Now you can see the heading text was changed there. Now update the menu. Now it was updated successfully. Click on this cross button and save it here. Now click on this cross again and save menus again. Now I will go back to my page and edit page with Elementor. Now I will add mega menus in this page, so I will click on this plus button. Again click on this little plus button and add a 2-column section. Now I will reduce the size to 30 and 70 like this one. Now I will add an image here. Choose image. I will select this image and click on insert. Now I will go to section column settings and make the vertical alignment to middle. Now I will go to menus and search navigation menus. Now here you can see these are the pro widgets of Elementor Pro, but I will use the free Elementskit nav menu. Drag it here. Now you have to select menus. I will select this nav menu, and here you can see your menus. When you hover over home, you can see your mega menus in drop down. Now I will reduce its size. Now I will give it negative margin. I think 25 pixels is perfect, and I will uncheck it and remove from left side. Now it will appear like that. Update the page. Now the page was updated successfully. I will preview the changes by clicking on this I button. Now here you can see you have this mega menus under your home tab. Hope you find something interesting in this tutorial. If so, Please like this video and also share with others. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notifications about future videos. Thanks for watching.